So I recently saw this YouTube live studio post about showing landscape and portrait mode formats while also incorporating a chat element into it. But I realized that this experience is dedicated to the creator. And while the creator is trying to live stream and look at the camera, they don't really want to use their hands to do a whole lot. And so by eliminating the tactile function and improving just direct at a glance messaging, I feel that might be more a better way to improve the overall audience engagement that the creator can do without having to use their hands to type to people that are watching. So, as you can see in this particular example, while top chat is showing here and you can scroll through the chat, I have a dedicated chat input at the bottom. If you want to type to your customer base, you can. But if I retract the chat, I have an audience sentiment component. Now, this audience sentiment component is an AI element that is taking all of the text that's occurring in the chat and showing, from a metric standpoint, what people are engaging with when the creator is speaking. So here you can see likes bunny ears, thinks the creator is pretty, disagrees with Taylor Swift, blondes are better, and so forth. And so what this metric tool does is at a glance, instead of having the creator have to look at the chat and read the chats, they can stay engaged with the camera and the customer base. And at a glance, look at the audience sentiment graph component and see that people like the bunny ears so they can talk about that. Or they don't agree with Taylor Swift and they can talk about that. And you can also expand down and show all of the elements that the AI sentiment, audience sentiment tool is showing. So this gives you a much easier, digestible format of what the chat client is doing based on the way that AI is analyzing the content itself. So you can see, like down here, like nobody likes the outfit. Uh, again, disagrees with Taylor Swift. This could be great ways for the creator to engage with the audience from both a positive and negative sentiment environment. Now, at the end of this, when the creator has removed off live and is no longer there, they could export the content and then re-look at this information and try to prepare for the next live creator thing, that they do like the bunny ears, that they did like the energy, and to provide that same kind of concept and persona next time. So I just thought it would be great to be able to have a audience sentiment and chat client on the right side, where I can definitely scroll through the chat as standard and type in the input at the base. But if I'd rather look at this audience sentiment and look at the color relationships, like blue means good, gray is bad, red is in between, or muted magenta. And so this at least gives the content creator a way to identify with the audience what they're engaging with from the chat itself. I'll list the link so you guys can play around with it, but this was my take on this.